Alright, so the headlights have started. There are the turn signals. This is before. Yes, they are a little dirty. Here in Minnesota, there is salt on the roads.
The baristas have to pour these on the ground. Since the charity we're giving our money to is on the ground cold.
There's the headlights. You can see in there, that's black. The new ones are going to be chrome there, chrome down here, chrome up top that you can't see, chrome there. So it should be a different light dispersion. So what you have to do to change out the headlights on a Colorado is you got to take out this 10mm bolt and this one, and it should fall out. And then in the back, I'll have to show you when I get this out, there are two tabs, one down low here, one down low here, and they hook in to your core support here. And that holds the bottom from coming out, and you can kind of see this one's kind of loose. That's because that back tab on this side is broken and it doesn't hold. Along with the same thing with this side. On the outside, the tab is broken. So that's why I had to replace these headlights. That and this one headlight is tilted in a little bit, so there is some aiming issues with this one, the driver's side. So I will get to replacing that, and probably this summer I'll probably end up painting this. Who knows? I might end up doing a new radiator too, I don't know. My past truck had started leaking, so stick to the channel and follow for content. We will be back very shortly. Alright, and we're back. And we've got the new turn signals in. Got the new headlights in. We still have to do some aiming, but I might have to do that at night. Headlights are in and everything. Totally changed the look of the truck from black headlights to all chrome. Turn on the lights here and
freshest ideas and produce. Offering a wide selection of cabinet and countertop solutions.
alright, so there is our lighting install. I did break 4 clips. One goes in here and just holds in. One there, and there, and the other one here. I'll replace those at a later date. But we've got our headlights done today. We got our map sensor done there. And we will be doing the purge solenoid inside the wheel well there very shortly. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos coming up. Bye for now.